Hello everyone, this is your maths class. I hope you all are good at your home. I am Ritu Chawla, your maths teacher. In previous class, I have taught you chapter 1 large numbers and chapter 2 fundamental operations. Today I am going to start chapter 3 factors and multiples. So after watching this video, you will be able to recognize and find the factors of a number. Let's start with factor. What is factor? Factor is a number that leaves no remainder behind after it divides the specific number. Okay, I explain you by one example. See, I have drawn here 12 stars. Okay, now I have to arrange these 12 stars in different ways so that these all stars should be divided in equally. In first way, you see all 12 stars are arranged in a row. That means we can write this 1 multiplied 12 is equal to 12. In second way, I have drawn these stars in 2 rows and in 6 columns. So we can write this 2 multiplied 6 is equal to 12. In third way, I have arranged these all 12 stars in 3 rows and 4 columns. So we can write this 3 multiplied 4 is equal to 12. Now you see the similarities. When we multiply 12 multiply 1, here is answer 12. 6 multiply 2, again product is 12, and 4 multiply 3, then product is also 12. So we can say the numbers that are multiplied together to give a product are called the factors of the product. These all numbers 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. These all numbers are the factors of the number 12 because we are getting same product by multiplying these both numbers. This is for your explanation only. Every time it is not easier to find the factor by drawing. For that, there are 2 methods by using you can find the factors of the given number easily. There are 2 ways to find the factors of a number. First one is by multiplication and second one is by division. Dear students, to find the factors, you must remember tables properly. For example, I have taken here number 12. Again, I am taking here number 12 to explain you how to find the factor by multiplication, as I have explained here also. And same number we will take here to explain you how to find the factor by division method. Then it would be clear that by using both methods, we will get same answer for number 12. Okay. So you see, for 12 number we can write here 12 multiply 1 is equal to 12, 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12, 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. Only these 3 ways are here to find the factors of these of the number 12. Okay, so this shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Now I am showing you by division method how to find factors of 12. First of all, we divide this 12 by 1. So 1 12 ja 12. Here you see remainder 0, 12 is question. Again I am dividing this 12 by 12. So 12 1 ja 12. Again you see remainder is 0 and 1 is question. Now I am dividing this 12 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. Again you see remainder is 0 and 4 is questioned. Now I am dividing this 12 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Again remainder is 0 and quotient is 3. Now I am dividing this 12 by 2. So 2 6 ja 12. Again remainder 0 and 6 is quotient, and here I am dividing 12 by 6. So 6 2 ja 12. Again remainder 0 and 2 is quotient. Now you see the similarities in all these divisions. You see all remainders are 0. It means you can say these all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the numbers that can divide a given number without leaving a remainder, are factors of that. So same factors we are getting here, which we found by multiplication method. This is very simplest and easiest way to find the factor of any number. I hope you understood.